Doing a Jamaica Bay rundown again today. Came out with Elias. He's like, I'm going fluke fishing. I'm going fluke fishing. Well, we decided to take another shot at these bass, and I'll be honest, the rain and garbage weather's holding out a little chop, but most of the bay doesn't have bunker. He just called me bass and bunker everywhere. So he snagged the bunker. Nice 15-pound fish, smashed it right away. He says the bunker are getting cream, get over here. Now, this is what it's all about, guys. Elias the human fish finder found him again. Alright, I might be late for the date, but I'm gonna get the big one. Hey, how fast would you crank if your buddy told you he was banging 15-pound fish? Oh, man. Man, it's over 4.5 miles an hour. Oh my goodness. How long can he sustain it for? Oh man. 4.5. Give me 4.5. Feel the burn. Alright, take it easy. There's not that much pressure out here today, so there's no problem catching on this one. Oh yeah, baby. We're in them now. It's so cool. It's nice having bunker around, but see them getting blasted, man, it's great. Oh, there's a run right there. Here's a fish. Here's a fish. Look, he's eating. He's eating. He's eating. He's eating. Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Secret weapon! Still anybody? Secret weapon! Make a song, a theme song or something. Secret weapon! Banging fish! Going for a sleigh ride! Ooh, I'm going for a sleigh ride! Ooh! Secret weapon got a 20-pounder! Come on, overboard! I'm going to the pier! Shit, man, I'm going to the dock, dudes! I ain't joking! Whoa! Look at this beast! 25-pound test on a light rod! I'm insane! Look at my sleigh ride! Jamaica Bay sleigh ride! Sleigh rider! Oh, this thing isn't even... No, the kayak's there yet. Are you kidding me? Whoa! Just saw the boat. And it didn't like it. Now it's on the bottom. You go with nowhere. So here's my fish over 40, so that will be my limit for today. Secret weapon. Oh, I can't move on. Dude, this is insane. Pablo, dude, get the Mamma Mia over here. Leave those bluefish alone. Watch this fish. Oh, wait till you see this bad boy. Oh, this is a beast. Oh. I really got to take it easy on this fish. This is the biggest fish I cooked all season, I guarantee it. I can't even move it. This is a beast. Alright, she's got a tire. Come on. Only 25-pound test and you're a 25-pound fish. I can't wait to see this thing. I did see his shoulders. This thing is nice. I'm going to take it easy from him. Ooh, it's 25 pounds. Hi. It's going to be up in here in a minute. Maybe 30. Alright, I'll take 28. Look at this beast, guys. Look at this fish here. Wait. Look at me. Shit, it's going to flip me. Definitely going to be a rock. That's insane. Yeah, check out this school of bunker. Look at it. It's amazing. Bunker like that coming through here all day. A few splashes on top, but man, they are thick underneath. Alright. This is where you want to be, boys. Man, that's great. This will be an all day thing for me. Man, what a day. Got another really good fish. Hope it's not a bluefish. He screamed off a bunch of line. I feel the tail hitting off. It doesn't feel like a bluefish now, but it sure did scream off some line. This might be another real nice bass. Yeah, it's a good one, alright. Not how big. Hasn't seen the kayak yet. When it does, it's going to blast out of here. I'm using a circle hook, so I doubt that it's a bluefish. Yeah, it's a bass. I'm doubting myself here. I had 4 bluefish bite off in a row. Come on, fish. You know the drill. Wow. Wow. Gotta put a grease ball. It's another nice fish, man. 20 pound, maybe. Oh, it's trying to go under. You guys see the fish marks on the screen here, too. He's got friends. That might be my fish. Wow. Looks like a sturgeon. Oh, my goodness. This fucking Elias better get over here, buddy. There's a sturgeon here. Pablo, I got a sturgeon. This is insane. Watch this one. Wait and see this sucker. Oh! Ah, nice. That might be a keeper. Yeah, I'd say that's a keeper.